Hi guys, let's talk about family history. My parents got married 25 years ago. 2 years later, my brother Luke was born. Then I was born a year after that. I've also got a sister, Karen, who is 2 years younger than me. So there are five of us in my family. Luke's got a girlfriend, Sue, and they live in a small flat. Karen and I still live with our mom and dad. We spend a lot of time together.
Get married means become husband and wife. Get divorced means stop being husband and wife. Be born means start your life. Have got means to have. Spend time with someone means be with someone and do things with them. Thanks for joining us.